Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing how you can remove someone from your share list on TikTok. Let's get started. So, unfortunately, I do not have the app TikTok, so I will be explaining it via previous people who've had the same issue as you do. So, essentially, in order to get rid of someone from your share list, there is no immediate direct way, but there is one thing you can do. Again, this is a very roundabout way. What you can do is you can simply not interact, follow, or check up on this certain person's page or their profile account or such. Do not follow them, do not interact with them, and then eventually, with time, though it may take a few weeks to a few months, they will be removed, self-removed from the share list. Now, another way you can go about this is by simply sharing certain TikToks to more friends, especially people who you haven't messaged before, in order to give the TikTok algorithm the idea that you're busy texting and sharing with other people instead of that one person. Again, these aren't foolproof ways, but this is the closest we can come to it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.